Explorer's four-towners Polar Plunge! Couple things, this is how it's gonna go. So, we're gonna go like 4 at a time at the most, and then we're gonna jump in the water. But remember, there's a lot of fresh water here. So the salt water's down there, and the fresh water's colder on top. So the deeper you go,
Right.
it is always a tough spot. Of course, you're gonna come on down, you're gonna climb back out. There's gonna be fresh towels over there for you. But when you jump in the water, remember to come up with that smile on your face. Because Kelly's over there taking some photos, and there's a whole gallery back here. And of course, to start everybody off right, we're going to do a countdown, a 3, 2, 1 jump as everything goes. And engineering did just tell me that hot tub was broken, so I'm sorry. It's
That's true.
If you need assistance, we got Ezra and Kayla's here. They'll give you a hand.
There's not going to be enough in there. Yeah,
Give
but
me
Well, maybe if you chant loud enough.
Let's get to showdown here. Oh man.
We'll challenge the captain that if he would go in, they would go in.
Yeah, there was quiet. She's my new favorite guest. All right. So remember, smiles, deeper. Towels over there. Should be good. Very good. All right. Here we go.
2, 1.
That gives me a lot more confidence. Technique to come back here.
All right. Who's next? Here we go. 3, 2,
3, 2,